The Structure of Existence by Dan Etchegoyen. This is speed version 2.0, parts 1 and 2. Please pause to read, and please don't skip stuff. The baby steps are here to prepare you for the leaps. Part 1, Objectivity in Space and Time. I am working on a redo for the rest. You can always see it at Structure of Existence in quotes on YouTube. It's already there, just bad contrast. You can probably improve the contrast if you just tilt the screen back, but I am working on the rest. This is all space and time with objectivity and subjectivity, and the difference between those two types of reality. That's the end of that there. Now there is just a few pages on Godel, completeness, and consistency, and a slightly different take on that. And then part 2, really important, the dynamic structure and interactive process of existence. Again, please don't skip things. I am building to things, and I'm hoping I can get you there. Some things are more important than others. Just sort of assimilate what you can and keep on going. And as we come to the final part, I have the dynamic model to show you. And this is the dynamic model right here. You can see it has a square shape. You can also make it look triangular. It's the symmetry. And no matter how you orient the two, they always touch on all 6 pairs of crossing lines. You can also make sure that it becomes one, and several different ways to do that. Or you can turn it like this to where you get all sorts of different things. That's this. And please let your friends know. Let me know what you think, what resonates for you.